In this video I'm gonna do a slightly different project. It's not gonna be a sewing project, but it's gonna be a DIY project. I have this small wooden coffee table I found on the streets, and it's still beautiful. I already sanded it once because I thought I was gonna paint it, but I never did. I thought it would be super cool to do a little painting project and sort of pimp it up and make it a very cool coffee table, because right now it's like, I think it's quite boring. A few years ago I also painted a wooden chair I also found at the trash. I found lots of stuff at the trash and I painted it, and I love it so much, so I thought it would be so cool to pimp this wooden coffee table. I've been sketching some ideas. I really like the yin-yang sign. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Let's pimp this coffee table. Let's go. Woo! This is gonna be the design. I thought it would be cool to make a yin-yang table, but also give it like little details, little dots. And for the side, I'm gonna continue the yin-yang on the side here. And on this, I'm gonna make some little moons, some little dots. So this is the design I made. This is everything I'm gonna need for this project. I got me some sanding paper. I got some paint. I don't know if I have enough. Paint brushes, and these are like little dots, little dot sticks. I used them before for dotting. Dots, dots, dots. And I forgot, I'm also gonna use a primer, I think. So first up, I'm gonna clean the table using this. Oh, good. So I guess I'm cleaning the floor also. Alright. I'm just doing something. So now it's clean. Now I sand, or I just prime. I think since I sanded it before, I'm just gonna put a primer on. Is this a good idea? I don't know. Alright, enough sanding for today. Maybe before I'm gonna do the primer, I should put some stuff on the floor to make sure my floor doesn't get dirty. I got my floor taped off. So my floor won't get dirty. And now I'm gonna put the primer on. Why do I smell this? I don't know. Okay, this is going okay. Maybe I shouldn't have used a paintbrush for this, but oh well. I should get more paper. Nice, nice, nice. I saw other people prime stuff before, like furniture, before painting it, so I thought, let's give it a try. I finished priming the table. As you can see, I still not 100% dry, so I think I'm gonna let it sit for tonight. Tomorrow back to painting. I'm very excited to see if this priming thing went okay, because I did some sanding last year, but I thought it would be fine now. But I've never primed anything before and then painted it. I'm sort of winging it again, and I'm just gonna see how it goes. So, yep. I'm just gonna get into bed, get cozy by myself with my book. Yep. Yeah. My bed, my book, tea, tomorrow painting. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna draw my design on the tabletop. So I'm gonna grab my iPad and get my design. I measured out the middle, and now I need to make the yin yang. My paint. Let's start with the black. Okay, here we go. Okay, I finished all the black parts, as you can see. So the white you see is still the primer, but I finished the black, and it goes along here, and I painted the bottom black as well. This part is black, and the side of the foot is gonna be white as well, so I didn't paint it all the way black. Pretty exciting! Finish the black parts. Why is my face yellow? I made me some anti-flu tea with lots of curcuma, and I think my fingers are yellow too, and I think I smeared it all over my face, the curcuma. God. Ding dong, this goes wrong. Okay, bye. I'm gonna paint the yellow now. Supertjes. I love painting so much. It makes me so calm. One of my dreams used to be like pimping old vintage furniture, sanding it and fixing it up, and then painting it in like all these bright colors and making flowers and stuff on it. And I still think that would be so cool to do. I don't really have the space for it now because I live in a very tiny studio, but maybe one day if I have lots more space, I would love to do it more. But I have so many dreams and stuff that I like to do, so I sort of have to choose what I'm focusing on. But from time to time I still like to do a DIY furniture upcycle project like this one. And this is gonna be so cool! Yay! I finished the white part as well. It's looking so cool! Now all that's left are the details. So the little dots there, some moons there, some more dots. I think first I'm gonna do the dots, and I can also maybe do these dots already. And for that I'm gonna use these things. I did like a dotting workshop with my friends 2 years ago, and you dot like plates or cups or whatever, but I also use them for like face paint. Oh, very heavy. And I'm gonna use them to make dots on this table. Yay! Here and there. Hi. I decided to paint the sides of the foot also black because I thought it was sort of distracting. I didn't film it, but I can show it to you now what it looks like. You can already see a little sneak peek here. It turned out so cool. I'm gonna do a few small touch-ups and then I think it's finished. Love yours. This is the end result. I'm so in love with this table. I love the yin yang design, the little dots, the little details. I think it looks so cool in my home. Yeah, I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching. I won't be back in a while because I'm going on holidays, but I see you in a month. Thank you so much. Bye!